Alright beauties, for this look, I'm going to talk through this little section and then we'll speed things up. I know so often when we see kind of more bold looks or more intricate, if you will, looks, we think to ourselves sometimes, I couldn't do that, I don't have the skill level or the tools or whatever the case may be. I really pride myself here on my channel doing looks that are very beginner friendly, that I feel like anybody can do. So I'm going to show with this look, it's going to be a little bit more intricate or maybe a little bit more hard, if you will, but it's super easy to do and it's quite impactful. I am primed. All the deets for every single look are going to be in the description box below, but your best friend is going to be e.l.f. eye tapes. You can use e.l.f. eye tapes, you can use shadow shields, you can also use Scotch tape. If you use Scotch tape, put it on the back of your hand first and then place it on the skin. That way you're not pulling and tugging on your skin. So I just want to note that we're going to put the e.l.f. eye tapes on and you can literally just go wild. It can be messy, it can be sloppy. You can be a beginner and achieve the exact same type of a look. And then when we take these off, we clean things up and then you're going to see just how easy this is. So we're going into our next look using the Hela palette. I'm going in with the pinks, of course.